In front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, let's open the messages, then click on a new one, and as you can see, currently we are set up with English and also Spanish. If you will click here, you'll have a few more. So here, by tapping on this word icon, you can change them. However, if you would like to change it totally, just tap on settings icon, go to languages, click on add keyboard, and as you can see here, we've got a long list of languages. So it's super long and super useful actually, because no matter where you're from, you will definitely find something suitable. So it looks like, and does not end anyhow. Okay, so here you've got it. As you can see, the languages list is super long, so you will definitely find something suitable. Then just pick the one that you would like to apply. I will choose Hebrew so you can clearly see the difference. Then we can smoothly remove unnecessary languages. So we've got one language only, and now if you'll go back, you will see the difference. So here it is. Now we've got just this one language in your keyboard applied, and then you can change it whenever you want to, just the same way. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.